Hey everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm Ms. Nene and welcome to Ms. Nene's Art. So today I'm just going to be doing a set of 4 coasters, something that's very easy, beginner friendly. I'm just going to be using glitter, resin, and some embellishments. So here is the glitter that I'm going to be using from the Spinit brand, Mermaid, very beautiful color. I got that from Michael's and some Mosaic tiles that I got from Hobby Lobby. That is it. Very beginner friendly, very simple, and it's also very beautiful too. So all I'm going to do is just add the glitter, no mica, no ink, no alcohol ink, just the glitter to my resin, pour it, let it dry, and then add my embellishments. This cup I'm using, I love it. I'm going to leave a link for you in the description below. It makes measuring the resin so much easier, much simpler. So I'm just going to add the glitter to my resin, pour my layers, let them dry, and then I'm going to place the mosaic tiles. And then after that, I'm going to pour a simple coat over it with a little bit of glitter to give it a little bit of sparkle, because sparkle is important. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will pop in towards the end. Thanks for watching. Okay, it hasn't been a full 24 hours. It's been maybe 7, 8 hours. The resin is still very, very soft, but it is still slightly cured enough for me to be able to lay these mosaic tiles down on the top. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm just going ahead and just get some paper towels, lay it down because the mosaic tiles are a bit dusty. So what I'm doing is wiping them down before I lay them on the surface of my coasters here. Okay, so I got so excited at doing this project that I literally forgot to turn the camera back on when I was pouring the resin on top. I'm so sorry about that, but I have already poured the resin. Now I'm just popping the bubbles. And then the next step is to just let it cure and then demold. But yeah, I got too excited. And I poured that last bit of resin and I'm like, oh my God, I forgot to turn the camera back on. That's what happens when you get too ahead of yourself. But now we're gonna demold as soon as it's cured, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, so it's been less than 24 hours. They're cured enough for me to be able to demold, but they still need a couple days to fully cure. But I'm so happy with how it turned out. The mosaic tiles, you can still see them. They're very reflective. The colors, the glitter, everything. It's such a elegant but simple and easy set of coasters to make, and very beginner friendly if this is your first time, making coasters. This would be something that you could do if you wanted to have a little embellishments and make it look even extra pretty. But I am really happy with how this turned out. Let me know what you think about how these turned out in the comments below. I'd love to read your feedback. But I am so happy with how this turned out. And like I said, the tiles came from Hobby Lobby. The glitter came from Michael's. It's called Mermaid. And I will also leave the link to the coaster molds that I got from Amazon. So let me know what you think about how these turned out in the comments below. I'd love to read your feedback. And if you like this video, please consider giving me a like and subscribe. That helps me out a lot. It helps me to be able to continue making these videos for you guys and trying out new things. And in fact, I will be trying out some new products that I got from Hobby Lobby and Michael's. So look for that very soon. More wood cutout designs I'm going to be doing. I've got a lot of things planned, so I hope that you'll be here to watch. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I always say it, I appreciate your time. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Stay safe out there too. Bye-bye.